have a few questions from one doctor from Bosnia. So he said in my talk to Ahmadis, I agree about all our teaching, Ahmadi teaching. But he said, after the point, he said, I have been learning through all my life that Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is the last prophet. So I cannot suddenly admit someone else to be prophet of God. Could you please help me in this way?
That's his question. I have repeatedly answered this question. I'm amazed that you still require help in this. All my discourses on Khatam al-Nabiyyin, particularly those which were addressed to meetings with Bosnians, and they have been translated into Bosnian language. Why don't you send him those cassettes, videos, if he so likes, or cassettes? Everything is covered.
We did give him literature.
Huh?
He asked us. He told this is only his point.
This is what I'm saying.
We did give him literature.
I agree. This has been the point of many other Bosnians who have been repeatedly coming to my meetings of question and answer in Germany. And after I answered this question in detail, I don't remember anyone who insisted in his disagreement. You understand? So let him, if he's so righteous, God-fearing, then I think after listening to that cassette, he would understand that any prophet who has been prophesied by Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam himself to come under him is not does not violate his khatamiyat. That's the central point. So this has been explained in that in those cassettes, please.